Buhay Sari-sari!
Hello mga ka-BSS! Buhay Sari-sari! Nandito na tayo sa all-famous Pangkalawag Naga City Store, the Sari-sari Store of 7 stars! Dun, 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 dun.
Go!
At the entrance, we can see the art over here, created by our founder, created by our founder, Joseph Ibrahim. As you can see, a customer is about to enter the store. Now let's meet. Now, Altetea is our famous customer service provider. As she can provide her services at a fast pace. Okay. Now, this is our tanks, aka our most expensive type of tank is Soleil. Our least expensive is Beton. But don't worry, the prices will keep going up as we know. Now this is the entrance of the store. As you know and see, and there's messy. There's some spots there that doesn't even have any merchandise, and we can see the lana totally organized. And let's go up the stairs, the invisible stairs, and as you can see, someone's watching how to stress its energy. Quite choice as is documentary. And plus, the sunlight can barely enter the room. And here we can see my favorite part of this building, the ice cream. Every day at lunch, I take one ice cream after lunch. So I can keep cool at hapon. As you know, I'm very good at English. Now we can see the palabakal is our customers are continuously buying. And we can see Altetea doing her best at providing customer service. Isn't that right? Yeah, but she's a little bit shy and probably insecure. But now, let's start the main part of the Sari-sari store. This is our presentation, where most of our products can be seen. As you know, the ask for receipt, DIR, cheapy, our prices, everything new. 99% of the store is here. Everything from gatas like Bear Brand Birch Tree, from crackers like Magic Flakes, and raw frets and presto, cream and my favorite type of dilata, 555 tuna. Plus, we also have beef loaf, meat loaf, reno, and two phones that I don't know who belongs to. And this is the place of the cans. Most of our canned food, most of our canned goods are located at this area. This is the most metallic place of the building. And here we can see all of our caffeine, aka the most addictive substance in the world. We can see most of our products, and also some of my favorite chicherias are this cell phone, and cheese whiz, and here's our palabakal. And this is my favorite part, the mirror. This mirror, when it's happened, no, you can see the customer very clearly, but the customer can't see you very clearly since it reflects light. It's technically a one-way mirror, but it's dependent on the light surfaces. But okay, I don't know how that works. And plus, there's merchandise missing. And now let's go to this place, which is totally not planned. As we can see, the self-moving door, which opens for the cats but closes when it's the humans. Now, let's go back outside to the building to meet our all-famous Gumamela plant. What can you say, Gumamela? Very interesting. This is totally planned, and just because I don't know what I'm doing here. And plus, Altetea is being proudly as customer service. Now, come on down to Sari-sari Store 7 stars near at 552 Camarines Store, Calawag, Naga City. Right in front of the elementary school. And this is Buhay Sari-sari. That's 10 minutes. See you tomorrow.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.